Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to talk a bit on possessive adjective. What does possessive adjective mean in English grammar and its examples, usage, and at the last we have a quiz regarding possessive adjective. It's important to understand adjective before understanding possessive adjective. So adjective is a word which is used to describe the quality of a noun or pronoun. For example, lucky boy. Now here lucky is what? Lucky is adjective and boy is noun. The same black car, black is adjective and car is noun. So now let's move to our own topic, that is possessive adjective. And point to be noted here that in adjective the D letter is silent, so it is pronounced like adjective, not adjective. It's adjective. So possessive adjectives are often used to express possession or ownership. By its name you can easily guess that possessive means possession. It shows possession or ownership. The possessive adjectives are like my, your, his, her, its, our, their, and at the last that is whose. A possessive adjective sets before a noun or pronoun, means it is used before a noun or pronoun to show who or what owns it. The most commonly used possessive adjectives are, like I already discussed, my, your, his, her, its, our, their, and whose. And order these adjective corresponds to the pronouns. Now pronouns are like for I we use my, the same for you we use your, for he we use his, and for she we use her, for it we use its, for we use our, for they we use their, and at the last that is for who we use whose. Example like she likes your book. Now here you can easily guess that there is book. Book is obviously a noun, and your is what? Your is possessive adjective. The possessive adjective your sits before the noun book to tell us who owns it, means it's the possession of whom. I think her brother has eaten my biscuit. Now the possessive adjectives her and my are sitting before or modifying it is called the noun, means her is possessive adjective and brother is noun. The same her is possessive adjective and biscuit is noun. So brother and biscuit to tell us who owns them. Joseph lost his keys. The same keys is noun and his is possessive adjective. The word his is a possessive adjective that indicates the keys belong to Joseph, means it shows possession. The first usage is possessive adjectives are used to show something belongs to somebody, means it shows possession. That's our house, means that house belongs to us, that house is our. And house is like noun and our is obviously possessive adjective. My car is very old. The same car is possessive, that noun, and my is possessive adjective. My shop is near to my home. Now here you can see that there are two possessive adjectives. The first one is shop. Shop is obviously noun and my is possessive adjective. The same my is again possessive adjective and home is noun. Second usage, possessive adjectives are used for relations and friends, like my mother is a doctor. Mother is noun and my is obviously possessive adjective. So possessive adjectives are always used before noun or pronoun. And how old is your sister? Our friends are in army. The third usage, possessive adjectives are used for parts of the body, like she has broken his arm. Her arm, sorry, she has broken his arm. So here arm is what? Arm is obviously noun and his or her is obviously what? That's possessive adjective. He is washing her hair and they need to clean their teeth. And the fourth usage, that is the possessive adjective, it doesn't have an apostrophe. Remember, it's important, don't use this apostrophe with its. So the bird has broken its wing. This is wrong. Writing like this, it's wrong. So it's correct is that this one. It's note, it's always mean it is or it has. It's. And the last, that is quiz. Make 5 sentences on possessive adjectives by using these possessive adjectives like it's, his, her, their, our. Try to use these 5 possessive adjectives in your sentences. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself.